Hi guys, today I will show you how to do a locked-on camera effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Over here in DaVinci I have sample footage. Make sure that you're at the beginning of the footage and navigate to the Fusion page. From here we need to hold Shift and Space and type tracker. This is the one that we need. Select it and press Add. When it's located here, you've noticed that this rectangle appears. Just drag it and put it on your subject. I want to track the head, so let's put it here. From the adaptive mode, let's select best match for the best results. Now press drag forward and give it a couple of seconds and DaVinci will do the job. Now it's completed. Press OK and navigate to the operation mode. From here in operation we need to switch to match move, and from the merge we need to choose background only. Now you've noticed this transparent area, so let's go in the edit page and this is black. So let's zoom in a little bit and adjust so there will be no black bars visible. I think this looks fine, so let's review it. And that's how easy it is to achieve this effect. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.